I like reading books. I have a great fondness for getting lost in a good novel. She's very smart. Her intelligence and insight are truly impressive. This food is delicious. The flavors and textures in this dish are absolutely exquisite. I don't understand. I'm having a bit of trouble wrapping my head around that concept. Let's go for a walk. Shall we take a leisurely stroll and enjoy the scenery? He's not here. Unfortunately, he's absent at the moment. This is my friend. I'd like to introduce you to someone who's very close to me. I'm feeling tired. I'm experiencing a bit of fatigue and need to recharge. The movie was great. The film was absolutely captivating and entertaining. I love music. I have a deep passion for music and its ability to evoke emotions. That's a good idea. I think that's a fantastic suggestion and we should definitely consider it. I'm going to bed. I'm off to get some rest and prepare for another busy day. She's very kind. Her compassion and empathy towards others are truly inspiring. I'm hungry. I could really do with something to eat and satisfy my appetite. This city is amazing. The energy and vibrancy of this city are simply incredible. Let's have a party. Why don't we organize a get-together and invite some friends over? I'm so happy. I'm absolutely overjoyed and feeling elated. He's very funny. He has a great sense of humor and can always make me laugh. I need to practice. I should probably dedicate some time to honing my skills and improving. I'm feeling sad. I'm experiencing a bit of melancholy and need some time to reflect. This is beautiful. The aesthetic appeal and beauty of this are truly stunning. I'm going to travel. I'm planning to embark on a journey and explore some new destinations. We should talk. I think it would be beneficial for us to have a conversation and discuss some things. I'm feeling stressed. I'm experiencing a bit of anxiety and need to find ways to manage it. I love learning. I have a real thirst for knowledge and a passion for self-improvement.